Urgency is supposed to make teams faster. Bakit parang ito pa yung nagpapabagal? Leaders love urgency. ASAP, let's move fast. This is critical. And on the surface, everyone agrees. Yes, we need speed. Yes, this matters. So why does everything still feel chaotic? Parang ang gulo-gulo pa rin. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Urgency without clarity doesn't create speed. It creates noise. When people are rushed but not aligned, they don't ask what's the best move. Rather, they ask what is the safest move. Listen closely. Have you noticed this? When pressure is high, people stop thinking big. They think small. They protect themselves. Nagmamadali pero walang malinaw na direksyon. So people guess, they overcheck, they redo their work, they wait for confirmation. And suddenly, the thing that was supposed to be urgent, mas lalo pang tumagal. Here's what leaders often miss. Clarity is what makes urgency work. Not more follow-ups, not more reminders, not louder instructions. Clarity sounds like this. This is the outcome we need. This is the priority. Ito yung picture of success. Or, pwedeng mahintayan. That can wait. Yan yung clarity. When people are clear, they move confidently. When they're not, they move carefully. And careful teams don't move fast. They move hesitant. So if your team feels busy, but progress feels slow, don't ask for more urgency. Ask yourself this instead. Have I actually made it clear enough kung saan kami pupunta? Because speed doesn't come from pressure. It comes from direction.